Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel for day 8 of Vlogmas. And for once I know where day 8 is because I saw it. Pretty much immediately. This is a purple ink, I'm assuming. It's called a raspberry rose. Oh, so it might actually be pink as well. And it's also a standard ink. We had a standard ink yesterday as well, but yesterday was yellow. Maybe if I mix them up, I will get a funky orange. So, we have raspberry rose. Doesn't sound very Christmassy, but okay. And of course, yesterday was a yellow, and today is a either pink or purple. Wish it was the other way around because I don't know, I would have preferred the pumpkin to be that color, but nothing I can do about it. Sort of like a magenta. So this actually would be good for flower painting, so would be quite lovely for florals. I will give it that. That's good if you're into that. I would keep this for painting. So let's go and paint the pumpkin while the swatch dries. I'm going to go in with a light wash and then go in with a darker one when it's dry. Actually, I changed my mind. I'm going to go in with a thinner brush and do wet on wet for some more dimension on the pumpkin. Because why not? And you can really see that if you go wet on wet with diamine ink, they really fan out on the page. Kind of wanted to show that, so here we go. Could be a cool effect if you're into it. Depends on what you're into. I usually don't, but and it also, if you are painting on textured paper, also tends to really go into the texture outside the lines, so to speak. So that is also something to bear in mind. But I kind of like the effect. I think it'll be fun. So, for day 8 of our Nightmare Before Christmas Funko Advent Calendar, let's see who we got. So far, we have Sally. So, I'm assuming that Sandy and Jack are still somewhere in there as well. Might get one of those today, actually. We'll see. I have no idea who this is. The bags are like sort of see-through, but I'm kind of blind as that as is, so... Oh, it's Scary Teddy! For a second, because I got him out like this, I was like, huh? Mickey Mouse? But Scary Teddy, I should have known that. I mean, that's super fun. I might actually end up giving him to my friend Jessie. I have to check with her if she doesn't have him already, but yeah. And here we are for the conclusion of day 8. scary teddy or vampire teddy. I'm not entirely sure which it is. And a raspberry rose. Raspberry rose is actually pretty aptly named because it is a raspberry pink. And it is a very good color if you're into painting flowers. I'm not particularly, not that I never do, but I don't really do it very often. But yeah, it's a nice painting color, as you can see. I mean, it's alright, it's not amazing, it's not something I would buy. But yeah, I will keep it because it's, now that I have it, it's good to have in my arsenal of inks and stuff to paint with. So yeah, there's that. Scary teddy or vampire teddy. Teddy, on the other hand, is just the most meh of all the Funkos that have come out of the box so far. I don't know. He's very cute in the movie. I have seen so much awesome teddy merch. This is just not it. So I'm likely going to give him to my friend Jessie, who collects scary teddies, vampire teddies. If she doesn't have him already, I will check with her, and otherwise I will give him to somebody else because I have zero use for him. But yeah, leave a comment down below. What did you think of today's rather mediocre advent calendar openings, I suppose? And also, please let me know if it's vampire teddy or scary teddy. If you do leave a comment, as always, please be kind, and I will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 9. See you then. Bye!